Many people think eating carbs at night is bad. This belief is widespread. They fear it causes weight gain. They also worry about poor sleep. Pasta and rice are often mentioned. These foods are rich in carbs. But is this belief true? Let's explore. People avoid pasta and rice at dinner. They choose lighter meals instead. Salads and soups are popular. This is because of the carb myth. Many diet plans advise against nighttime carbs. But the real story is more complex. Some experts disagree. They say carbs at night can be fine. It depends on various factors. These include portion size and overall diet. It's important to separate fact from fiction. This essay will do just that. We will look at the pros and cons. We will examine the myths. We will provide clear recommendations. By the end, you will know the truth. Let's start by looking at the nutritional content. Pasta and rice are staple foods. They are popular worldwide. They provide energy and are versatile in many dishes. This is because they are high in carbohydrates, which are essential for our daily energy needs. Carbs are the body's main fuel source, especially for those who lead active lifestyles. They are important for many bodily functions, including brain function and physical performance. Pasta comes in many forms, from spaghetti to penne, and can be used in a variety of recipes. It can be made from wheat, rice, or other grains, each offering unique textures and flavors. Whole grain pasta has more fiber, which is beneficial for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This is good for digestion and can help prevent constipation. White pasta is more refined, meaning it has been stripped of some nutrients. It has less fiber, but is still a good energy source. Rice, much like pasta, is a versatile staple. It can be white, brown, or wild, each with its own nutritional profile. Brown rice has more nutrients compared to white rice. It contains fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it a healthier choice for many. White rice is less nutritious, but is often preferred for its softer texture and quicker cooking time. But it is still a staple in many diets around the world, especially in Asian cuisine. Both types have their benefits and can be part of a balanced diet. Both pasta and rice also contain protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth. This helps build and repair tissues, making them important for athletes and active individuals. They have small amounts of fat, which makes them a good option for those watching their fat intake. They also provide essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. These include B vitamins and iron, which are crucial for energy production and oxygen transport in the body. Overall, they are nutritious foods that can be part of a healthy, balanced diet when consumed in moderation. Some believe eating pasta and rice at night is harmful. This belief stems from various concerns related to health and well-being. They worry about weight gain, which is a common concern for many. Carbs are often blamed for this, as they are a significant source of calories. Eating too many calories can cause weight gain, regardless of the time of day. It doesn't matter when you eat them, but the total calorie intake is crucial. However, large portions at night can be a problem, especially if they exceed your daily calorie needs. Another concern is blood sugar levels, which can be significantly affected by high-carb meals. High-carb foods can spike blood sugar, leading to potential health issues. This is especially true for refined carbs, which are quickly digested and absorbed. White pasta and rice can cause rapid increases in blood sugar levels. This can affect sleep quality, making it harder to fall and stay asleep. It can also impact energy levels the next day, leading to fatigue and decreased productivity. Some people report digestive issues such as bloating and discomfort. Eating a large carb-heavy meal can cause discomfort, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. This includes bloating and gas, which can be quite uncomfortable. It can make it hard to sleep, further affecting your overall well-being. This is more likely if you have a sensitive stomach or digestive issues. Finally, there is the issue of overall diet quality, which is crucial for long-term health. Eating too much pasta and rice can displace other nutrients, leading to an imbalanced diet. It's important to have a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients. This means including vegetables, protein, and healthy fats in your meals. Relying too much on carbs can be unhealthy, so moderation and balance are key. Despite the concerns, there are benefits. Carbs can help you relax. They increase serotonin levels. This is a feel-good hormone. It can improve mood and promote better sleep. A bowl of pasta can be comforting after a long day. Carbs can also replenish energy stores. This is important if you are active. Eating them at night can prepare you for the next day. Athletes often eat carbs before bed. This helps with recovery and performance. Pasta and rice can also be part of a balanced meal. Pair them with protein and vegetables. This can make a nutritious dinner. Whole grain versions are best. They are more filling and provide more nutrients. Finally, it's about personal preference. Some people enjoy carbs at night. It can be a satisfying end to the day. Enjoying your food is important. It can improve your relationship with food. This is a key part of a healthy diet. Section 5. Common myths and evidence-based facts. In this section, we will debunk some of the most common misconceptions about carbohydrates and provide you with evidence-based information. There are, many myths about carbs at night. People often believe that eating carbs in the evening can lead to weight gain and other health issues. One myth is that they cause weight gain. This belief has been perpetuated by various diet trends and misinformation. This is not entirely true. Weight gain is a complex process influenced by multiple factors. Weight gain is about overall calorie intake. It's the balance between the calories you consume and the calories you burn. It's not just about when you eat. The timing of your meals plays a much smaller role compared to the total amount of food you eat throughout the day. Eating a balanced diet is key. Incorporating a variety of nutrients from different food groups ensures that your body gets what it needs. Another myth is that carbs disrupt sleep. Some people believe that consuming carbs before bed can interfere with your sleep quality. This can happen if you eat too much. Overeating in general can lead to discomfort and restlessness, but a moderate portion is fine. Eating a sensible amount of carbs can actually be beneficial. Some carbs can even help you sleep better. Foods like whole grains and certain fruits can promote relaxation. They can increase serotonin levels. This promotes relaxation. Serotonin is a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and sleep. Some people think carbs are bad for digestion. This is another common misconception. This depends on the type and amount. Not all carbs are created equal. Whole grains can improve digestion. They provide fiber, which is essential for a healthy digestive system. This helps with regular bowel movements. Fiber adds bulk to the stool and helps it pass more easily. Refined carbs can be harder to digest. These types of carbs lack fiber and can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Finally, there's the myth that carbs are unhealthy. This is not true. Carbohydrates are a vital part of our diet. Carbs are an essential part of a balanced diet. They provide energy. Our bodies rely on carbs as a primary source of fuel. They also have important nutrients. Carbs can provide vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. The key is to choose the right types and amounts. Opt for whole grains and limit refined carbs to maintain a healthy diet. Section 6. Dietary recommendations for nighttime carb lovers. If you love carbs, don't worry, you can enjoy them at night. Here are some tips. Choose whole grains when possible. They are more nutritious. They also help with digestion. Examples include brown rice and whole grain pasta. Watch your portions. Eating too much can cause problems. A moderate portion is best. Pair your carbs with protein and vegetables. This makes a balanced meal. It also prevents blood sugar spikes. Avoid heavy sauces and added sugars. These can add extra calories. They can also affect digestion and sleep. Use healthy fats instead. Olive oil is a good choice. It adds flavor without the negatives. Finally, listen to your body. Pay attention to how you feel. If carbs at night cause issues, adjust your diet. Everyone is different. What works for one person may not work for another. Find what works best for you. Section 7. Balanced summary of findings. Eating pasta and rice at night is a personal choice. There are pros and cons. Carbs can help with relaxation and sleep. They provide energy. They can be part of a balanced diet, but it's important to choose whole grains. Portion control is key. There are some potential downsides. Large portions can cause weight gain. Refined carbs can spike blood sugar. They can also cause digestive issues. A balanced diet is important. Including protein and vegetables can help. Myths about carbs at night are common, but evidence tells a different story. The key is moderation. Listen to your body. Find what works for you. Enjoying your food is important. This can improve your overall health. Section 8. Real-life examples and testimonials. Many people have shared their experiences. Some avoid carbs at night. They say it helps with weight management. They prefer lighter meals. Salads and soups are their go-to. They feel better and sleep well. Others enjoy carbs in the evening. They find it relaxing. It helps them unwind. They report better sleep. They choose whole grains. They pair them with protein and vegetables. This works well for them. One testimonial comes from an athlete. He eats carbs before bed. This helps with recovery. He feels more energized. His performance has improved. He chooses brown rice and whole grain pasta. This fits into his training plan. A busy mom shares her story. She loves pasta dinners. It's quick and easy. Her family enjoys it. They eat balanced meals. This includes vegetables and lean protein. They feel satisfied and healthy. Section 9. Future research and final thoughts. Research on carbs at night is ongoing. More studies are needed. This will help us understand the effects better. Current evidence provides some answers, but individual responses vary. Future research can offer more insights. In conclusion, eating pasta and rice at night is a personal choice. There are benefits and potential downsides. The key is moderation and balance. Choosing whole grains is important. Pairing carbs with protein and vegetables can help. Listen to your body. Find what works for you. Enjoying your food is crucial. It can improve your overall health. Carbs are not the enemy. They can be part of a healthy diet. The truth is more nuanced than the myths suggest.